Hey guys, let's talk about the FOMC meeting minutes about this high impact event, and I will show you maybe how to trade maybe the dollar around this high impact event later today. Here is the risk disclaimer, please read it, and please email support if you have maybe more questions. Please follow us on Instagram because we want to build a strong community there as well. You can comment, you can share our content, also you can like our content on Instagram. Also don't forget to visit our YouTube channel, to subscribe, and also to like our videos, to share them, also to comment right below my videos. Also, if you want to follow my trades, to get my trades, also if you want to have access to all our VIP content, you should become a VIP member, and you can use this coupon discount Olympia25 to get a 25% discount. Thank you guys. So let's take a look on the economic calendar, and as you already know, the consumer price index was reported better than expected, a 0.4% growth versus 0.3% expected. The core CPI 0.2% growth versus 0.2% expected. So the core CPI was reported in line with expectations. But later today, the FOMC meeting minutes is seen as a high impact event. This report could bring high volatility, could bring also sharp movements later today, so you should be careful because most likely the majors, the forex pairs will register strong movements. Also the US dollar, the commodities, also the indexes around these high impact event. So let's take a look on the dollar index because it's important for you to understand, or it's important to know maybe how to trade the dollar around that high impact event. So as you already know from my live webinar, from today's webinar, I've told you guys that maybe something like a failure to stabilize above the fifth warning line, and followed by a valid breakdown below the uptrend line, a new lower low here, or actually a valid breakdown below 94.10, valid breakdown here below the weekly pivot point 94.07 could open the door for further declines, for a corrective phase here in the short term, and the potential deeper drop, further downside movement here registered by the dollar index will signal that the US dollar will depreciate versus its rival. So right now the dollar index is at support. Okay, it has printed something like a rising wedge pattern here, potential reversal pattern, but as long as it stays inside of this pattern, above this uptrend line, maybe also above the weekly pivot point 94.07, above 94.10, the dollar index could still increase. So maybe if this report, the meeting minutes of the former monetary policy meeting, the FOMC meeting minutes, if this report maybe will come in more hawkish than expected, maybe this something like a more hawkish than expected report minutes could save the dollar, the DXY from the downside, and could maybe send the index above the fifth warning line, and could keep the index inside of this pattern above the fifth warning line, and could maybe signal a potential rebound, a potential growth again here in the short term. So something like this, potential rebound from this support zone, support area, maybe something like this, towards the weekly R1, towards 94.47, towards 94.50, static resistance could signal that the dollar could rebound, could recover after the current drop. The US dollar could appreciate a little in the short term versus its rivals. And personally, I believe that only coming back above the fifth warning line, test, retest, consolidation here, and something like a new higher high here could really signal a potential further growth. So potential value breakout above 94.50 could signal maybe also a breakout through 94.73, 94.64, major resistance area, also through the sixth warning line. So you should be careful. Right now the dollar index is at support. Valid breakdown below the weekly pivot point could signal a deeper drop, and something like a bullish pattern here could signal a potential growth. Thank you guys for watching this video, And don't forget, if you want my trades, you could also use this code at checkout to get a 25% discount. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.